Hello my loves, welcome back to another video. So the first thing I want you guys to know is that life is easy, life is simple if you have the positive mindset, if you believe that it can happen. And don't mind me being dramatic, but my point exactly is you can get subscribers without having to beg for subscribers. Okay, you can get subscribers actually. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to get subscribers without having to beg for subscribers. All you have to do is to just follow my hack, follow my footstep, follow everything I'm going to be saying on today's video. And no, we are not posting video. We are not posting video. We are not doing sub for sub. We are not begging for subscribers. Okay, so yeah, before I show you the practical aspects of how you can go about this and get your subscribers, I want you guys to know that I have a community of loyal, wonderful content creators on YouTube that strive for the best, that are rooting for each other. I have that community and I had new members willingly. If you are willing to join that community, then you are free. I'm going to be dropping a link in my comment section where you can join this my community for totally free. And when you join my community, what we do there is we gain subscribers. Okay, everybody in my community, they are loyal, all the content creators in my community. So what we actually do is you are going to join this community and you are going to support your fellow community members, and in return they are going to support you as well. Okay, I don't know if you guys are understanding everything I am saying. Okay, so you want to follow the link in my comment section. This video is actually straight to the point video, no going through the corner. Okay, so all you are doing to get your subscribers without begging for subscribers, without saying sub for sub in the comment section, is at the end of the day, if you say sub for sub in the comment section, there's high chances that YouTube is going to take it away. And that is not what you want. You don't want to be working and not getting your results. So you want to follow the link and DM me. I am going to share with you how you can go about it. I'm also going to be sharing a practical aspect on today's video. So when you join my community to get your subscribers, you are actually going to get your subscribers. Okay, let's say for example, just five people from my community subscribe to your YouTube channel. That is 50 subscribers. Now let's say 20 people from my community subscribe to your channel. That is 10 times 20, that is 200 subscribers. And if you're able to get 20 people from my community subscribe to your channel, that is 200 subscribers in a day. Now if you're able to get 100 people from my community to subscribe to your channel, that is how many? 1,000 subscribers. The easiest way. You don't have to beg for subscribers. You don't have to, be like, oh my god, YouTube is going to take, am I doing something risky? Am I violating? You are not reusing content. None of those hard working stuff. Now you are working smart. Okay, you're working smart instead of working hard. And if you're like, okay, how is 100 subscribers, how is 100 members, how did they convert to 1,000 subscribers? I'm going to be explaining later on today's video. Don't worry. So yeah, how you can get your subscribers without begging for subscribers, without reducing your steals, without reducing your steals, without violating YouTube policy, without reusing content, none of those bad stuff. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, the first and the only thing you want to do, is to follow the link in my comment section. Now let me just go to YouTube and practice it for you guys. We try to search for Rookie Rich. Rookie Rich. Now this is Rookie Rich and this is my comment section and this is my channel rather. So if you click on a video, the particular video that you are actually watching, and you click here. Now what I mean earlier by begging for subscribers, don't, all these things that I am saying, don't come here and, you understand what I'm trying to say. Don't come here because YouTube is, if you just come under my comment section, just comment something nice, you know, as a community, but don't just say sub for sub, all those things. YouTube is going to take it away. I'm just being honest with you guys here. So you're actually going to see this link. Now there are two different type of people that actually use this link to DM me. They're actually going to DM me directly. The first set of people is those that wants me to coach them on this YouTube, that don't have any idea about how this YouTube work, or maybe you have an idea but you just need someone that will hold your hand and walk you through the process. Then yeah, you are going to click on that link. And if you want me to manage your YouTube channel myself to get you monetized in 1 week, in 2 weeks maximum, then you want to follow that link as well. Now those are the first set of people. Now the second set of people is those that want to gain their subscribers for free. The first set is not for free, that one is premium. And the second set, if you want to get your subscribers for totally free, then you want to follow this link. Two set of people, anyone that you fall on. If you follow this link, you can just, let me just show it to you guys. So I'm actually going to click on the link. Oh my god, I don't have WhatsApp on this phone. I don't have WhatsApp on this phone. So if you follow this link, it's actually going to show you something like, rookie, I want to join your YouTube monetization mentorship class. I need to monetize fast. So this is my WhatsApp number. Now if you click on continue to chat, this is the message that is actually going to show me. Then after, this is an automatic message, you don't have to type it yourself. So all you have to do, I don't have WhatsApp on this phone, but all you have to do is to click on continue to chat. It is going to say open WhatsApp. Open. Let's see if it's, like I said, I don't have WhatsApp on this phone, so it will take you to my WhatsApp. Then if you fall under the first category, that is, if you want me to coach you myself, if you want me to get your 4,000 watch hour and your 1,000 subscribers by myself and manage your channel, then you can just say I am here for option A. And if you want to get your free subscribers, if you want me to add you to my group of loyal community of loyal members that are going to support your channel, give you the subscribers that you deserve, then you can just say option B after this particular message, so I will know what category you fall on and we will just get right into it. So I'm actually going to show you guys what my community look like, and now members in my community are able to support each other, you know, and get their subscribers really fast. I don't want to share with you guys my community members YouTube channel, because I don't want to compromise anybody's privacy, but I'm actually going to show you what my community looks like. So let us get right into that aspect. Okay, you guys, this is my community, and as you can see, the name of my community is 10 accounts member. Okay, 10 account member, that is, you will have to have 10 accounts. I'm actually going to be explaining that if you DM me. Very easy and straightforward. Okay, so these are members of my community as at when I am actually recording this video. This is Sunday and this was Friday. This is yesterday, which is Saturday. This is today. So my community is bubbling. Okay, so as you can see, members of my community, they're actually able to connect with each other and subscribe. So if you join my community, this is an example of what you're actually going to send to your fellow member. I am from 10 accounts group. Kindly send a screenshot of your channel inbox and I will send mine. I have 11 channel accounts, so accounts 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, any amount of accounts that you have. So you're actually going to DM me and I'm actually going to show you how to go about it. I'm actually going to add you to this group if you miss the requirement, which is not something serious. Okay, so yeah guys, that brings us right into the end of today's video. So this is the fastest method that you can get your 1,000 subscribers. You don't have to post any video, you don't have to do all those stuff, you don't have to reuse content, you don't have to repurpose content, you don't have to beg for subscribers, you don't have to stress. All you are doing is to join a Rookie Rich community, and Rookie Rich already did the whole stress for you guys. So yeah, thank you guys for watching thank you guys for watching to this part of the video. My jaw actually hurts because I talk for a living and I've been talking for hours now, recording different type of content, and yeah, at the end of the day, I am stronger than any challenges that is in my front. And please don't give up. Once you have your subscribers, if you are part of the option B, then start posting your content to have your 4,000 watch hour. And if you're in option A, then you don't have to do any stress at all. I've got you. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.